Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and I want to show you this stove shelf. I think it's an ingenious idea when you have a lot of condiments and things that you want to put, that you want to keep out, that you can easily get to reach. Because I have a lot of stuff, as you can see behind me. I reach for my food, for my equipment or my seasonings as I'm cooking. And it's just easier if you if you can put it somewhere and you have a small space, and my space is not that big. So here's the stove. This is 30-inch stove right here, and it goes on top of of the ledge right here. It comes with already this magnet, I believe. Let me see. Here we go. Here it is. This is more adhesive and or magnets if you need it. It comes with this. There's already two on here. And so it's very, very, very simple to do. I just did it and I can easily take it off. And then once you take it off, you can actually put it in the sink and wash it off and, you know, do what you need to do. But I'm going to put it up here because I got a lot of things I'm doing today. So I figured I'd get a video and show you. You just stick it right up there. Bingo. I don't know if you can see, but we are going to get closer so you can actually see what my stove looks like right there. First of all, it looks really nice just the way it is. It looks really nice just the way it is. But I'm going to put some of my spices up there so that I can use later, or maybe that I want to touch all the time. So here we go. I'm going to put in like my sweet basil will fit up here. I have some yellow sweet red onion powder that I definitely use. I got my chives up here that I use. Truthfully, in here I use the adobo. Put that up here. I use that often. Also, I use this one almost all the time. I use that often, and I also use this one often. So I got some of the things that I use often, not to mention, I got my black pepper. I use that a lot. My salt, especially on my eggs and stuff, use this one a lot. So you can see I'm getting a little bit more space now for me to use other things. This I also use regularly in my vegetables. So I put that one up here. And so when I'm cooking, I don't have to, I now have the things I could just reach for as I'm cooking. And I think it is an absolute ingenious idea. It's not going nowhere. It's going to stay up there. And I think that'll work for me. So I just wanted to show you guys, in case you need, you need some more space for all your seasonings and things like that. You can actually use this space above your stove, and it should work well for you. I think it's going to work well for me. All right, guys.